In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stack list Trello. We're going to quickly organize cards across your board by moving every card in a list at once, then tidying up a couple of exceptions with simple drags. By the end, you'll feel comfortable shuffling work between to do, doing, and done without touching each card one by one. Start by heading to Trello.com in your browser. From the Trello home view, open Boards to see the spaces you have access to, then open the board you want to work with. Once you're looking at your board, identify the list you want to shift. Every list in Trello has a small three dots icon in its top right corner. Click that icon to open the List Actions menu. In that menu, choose Move All Cards in this list. This is Trello's bulk action for stacking or consolidating cards. When the destination options appear, select the to-do list and confirm. Trello will move every visible card from the source list into to-do in one go, keeping their order as they're added to the bottom of the target list. Now that everything has been collected in To Do, make quick adjustments for any cards that should live elsewhere. Find the card labeled Low Priority, click and hold it, drag it from To Do over to the Doing list, and release to drop it there. You'll see the card slide into place. Next, locate the card titled Studying Science and do the same thing. Drag it from To Do back into Doing. Drag and drop is the fastest way to correct a couple of outliers after a bulk move. With those exceptions handled, return to the list whose remaining cards you want to clear. Open its three dots menu again. Choose Move All Cards in this list, and this time pick the Done list as the destination. Confirm the move. This is perfect for wrapping up a phase of work and keeping your board focused. Finally, open the three dots menu once more on the list you now want to repopulate. Select Move All Cards in this list and choose Doing as the destination. Confirm, and Trello will shift the cards into Doing together, so your active work is front and center. A few quick tips as you follow along. If you don't see the three dots icon, hover your mouse over the list header. It appears in the top right. Make sure you're clicking the menu on the correct list before confirming a bulk move, especially on busy boards. The Move All action affects only the cards currently visible in that list. Archived cards stay archived. After a bulk move, double-check the To Do, Doing, and Done columns to make sure everything landed where you expect. Then use Drag and Drop, as we did, for any final tweaks. If your board uses different list names, select the equivalent destinations. The process is identical. And that's it. You went to Trello, opened your board, used the List Actions menu to move all cards into To Do, dragged the Low Priority and Studying Science cards back into Doing, moved an entire list cards into Done, and then moved a list cards into Doing to set up the next phase. This approach lets you reorganize entire chunks of work in seconds while still keeping precise control over individual cards. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you practice on your own board.